If you run a consulting firm, marketing agency, engineering business, or any other professional services organization, your ERP system is about to become your smartest employee. It won't just track what happened last month. It'll make decisions, schedule resources, and predict your next financial risk way before you do. This is the biggest operational shift professional services firms will see this decade. For decades, ERP systems were glorified ledgers. They recorded what your business did yesterday, but that model doesn't work anymore. Not when margins are tight and your people are your biggest cost. AI is changing ERP from a passive system into an active agent, one that thinks, predicts, and acts. We're moving from co-pilots that need your prompts to autonomous systems that take initiative. The question for every professional services firm is, are you building for that world, or are you just falling behind it? And let's put some numbers behind what I'm saying. The global AI in ERP market is projected to hit $46.5 billion by 2033. That's up from $4.5 billion in 2023. That's a tenfold increase in just one decade. Why? Because automation isn't about cutting costs anymore. It's about surviving complexity. Professional services businesses can only scale if they serve more clients without adding headcount. And AI is the only credible way that you can do that. AI delivers its biggest impacts through three levers. Number one is prediction and risk. Instead of reading last month's utilization report, AI forecasts margin pressure, late payments, and cash flow gaps weeks in advance. Secondly, resource optimization. This is the hardest problem in professional services. AI now solves it by evaluating thousands of projects and staffing combinations in seconds. It matches the right people, skills, and margins automatically, something that no project manager could replicate manually. And third is frictionless compliance. Data accuracy is everything. And AI eliminates human error by automating time entry, expense coding, and approvals. That creates clean data, so every other decision and prediction stays reliable. Right now, the ERP is actually split into three major camps. Category A is the enterprise giants. Think SAP, Oracle, Workday. Their advantage is obviously the data volume. Decades of clean transactional data. Their AI is actually based on broad enterprise-grade solutions, but is often quite rigid. Then you've got Category B, which is the professional services specialist. Think Deltek, Cantata, and Certinia. They dominate here. They understand project accounting. They understand WIP. They understand billing across multiple entities. Their data is vertical, built entirely on the service delivery intelligence. And that's their edge. Then you've got the Category C platforms. Now, they are the AI-first platforms. These are the disruptors. Systems built around large language models from day one, designed for orchestration and not record keeping. They'll start small, but solving niche problems like project planning and forecasting. But by 2026 and beyond, they'll integrate directly into ERP backbones. This is an area we're looking into quite closely. An ERP isn't a future concept, though. It's working right now. And let me give you a few examples. Workday's embedded AI improved financial planning and analysis efficiency by 49% across firms using integrated AR and finance data. That's huge for any CFO chasing predictability. Then you've got SAP and their generative assistant, Joule, and that saves consultants up to 1.5 hours a day by answering configuration and best practice questions instantly. That's time that you can turn into billable hours. Then you've got Cantata's roadmap for 2026, which includes autonomous team assembly, an AI that matches people, rates, and roles automatically to project requirements, and Deltek Della, which also does that, and it also focuses on compliance-first automation. Its AI ensures time, expense, and billing accuracy at the source, and that's the foundation that makes every other AI insight possible. And here's the reality for professional services leaders. You don't need AI to replace your people. You need it to remove their friction. By 2026, the firms that win won't be those that work harder. They'll be the ones that build operational intelligence into their systems. And that means investing in platforms that understand your data model, your margins, and your human capacity. If your ERP doesn't adapt to that world, you'll soon be stuck in the 2020s, running a modern business on legacy workflows. So what should you do now? By assessing how AI ready your current ERP system is, ask questions like, can it forecast project risk automatically? Can it match resources intelligently? Can it learn from your data without manual prompts? If not, your next implementation cycle isn't just a system upgrade, it's a strategic reset. At Heine Solutions, we help professional services firms like yours navigate this type of reset. Our professional services ERP blueprint helps projects stay on time, on budget, and fully adopted while preparing your business for the AI-driven ERP systems. You can visit HeineSolutions.com to learn more about how we can help your firm make that transition with clarity and with confidence.